Hey, I've got some great information on some new legislation that has been proposed regarding VA loans. This is coming from the House, H.R. 7735, the Improving Access to the VA Home Loan Act of 2022. And it's targeted at people home buyers who are veterans, service members, and their families who are considering using a VA home loan product in order to buy a house. Okay, and I've got some notes, so I want to make sure I get everything right on this. It provides some background. The Department of Veteran Affairs Home Loan Program has afforded millions of service members, veterans, their families, the opportunity to become homeowners, and this earned benefit empowers veterans with the resources they need to purchase, retain, and adapt homes at a competitive interest rate and helps ease the transition from active duty to civilian life. All of that is absolutely true. While VA home loan program generally performs well, it has not kept pace with today's home buying practices in certain ways. And that's what this legislation is going to work to correct. For example, veterans using a VA home loan are required to have an in-person appraisal performed by a VA appraiser prior to purchasing their home. However, there's often lengthy wait times with relatively few VA-approved appraisers available to perform in-person appraisals. That results in the veterans being forced to wait longer to compete in the home buying process, to move from their homes that they otherwise would, and especially in the increasing competitive housing market. What I've seen personally is a lot of veterans or people who would want to use a VA loan being talked into using a conventional loan when VA may have been a great product for them. Okay, the Improving Access to the VA Home Loan Act of 2022 would direct the VA to update their regulations on appraisals, and this is a big deal. They would be required to consider when an appraisal is not necessary and when a desktop appraisal should be used. Desktop appraisals are faster and less expensive than in-person appraisals because they allow appraisers to view and assess property virtually rather than in person, which cuts down on closing costs for the home buyer, which is great, right? And lets them purchase their home more quickly. Okay, so here's some bullet points. In today's competitive housing market, veterans should have access to the fastest and best appraisal resources to get them in their new home as quickly and easily as possible. The Improving Access to the VA Home Loan Act of 2022 would ease that home buying process by letting veterans use the same modern purchasing tools that non-veteran buyers already use. And the Improving Access to VA Home Loans Act of 2022 would modernize VA's home loan program so that veterans can achieve the American dream of owning their home. All right, so I think this is really good information. I think this is an interesting bill to watch and to support. And I would encourage everyone to keep their eye on it. If you really feel strongly about this, it's never a bad idea to call your representative and encourage them to look at it and support it. And as I learn more about this, I'll of course be excited to share it with you. Okay, that's what I've got today. If you are looking to buy or sell a house, I want you to give me a call. And if you know someone who is, I, of course, am never too busy for your referrals and would love to hear from you. Have a great day.